Look at that. We're definitely getting hit by these storms now. I missed the EAS alert, but they just issued a severe thunderstorm warning for my county again. So, look at that rain pouring off of that shed. See that? It's pretty much like a water park. Whoa, what is that? Oh, for a second I thought that was a tornado. It's just a regular cloud. Right there. Is it rotating or is it just one? Is it just staying in one place? I can't really tell. Sorry about the flashlight. Oh, it's moving a little bit. I don't know what that is actually. I'm lost. Oh my gosh. Oh, I think it's moving. It's rotating a little bit. I can kind of tell. This is huge. Oh. Are you guys seeing this? There was two of them, now they combined to one. Oh my gosh. I think I better turn on the weather channel. Here, let me zoom out the camera. 2, 6. Oh, yep, right there. It just issued a thunderstorm warning.
A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued for our area. I had to get out of that fast. That couldn't get me leg out to it because it was shut down or the
Richland County, Monroe County, and also Medina County,
because it's not the water that's going to kill you. It's all the devil.
Western Wayne County and northeastern Ohio, Knox, and last but not least, Ashland County in north central Ohio. It's coming right toward where we are.
Try and swim as best I could and pull me way through the debris and get home.
Sorry I didn't capture the EAS alert, but here it is.
Medina, Worcester, Ashland, Mount Vernon.
Oh, dang it. I missed it. I missed the beginning of it.
Redmond, Ontario, Lexington, Lodi, Loudonville, Fredericktown.
Alright, let's take a listen to this.
Cardington, Belleville, Centerburg, West Salem, and Chippewa Lake. For your protection...
It just said West Salem. Oh my god.
On the lowest floor of a building.
Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Ashland, Knox, Medina, Morrow, Richland, and Wayne. The urgent weather message. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for southwestern Cuyahoga, northern Medina, and Lorain counties. At 4:35 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along the line.
I don't know why she said this.
Near Westlake to near Grafton, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Cleveland, Lorraine, Elyria, Vermilion, Parma, Lakewood, Strongsville,
It just did it again.
Brunswick, Westlake, North Littleton, North Virginia, Avon Lake, Amherst, Grafton.
Oh, are they doing another one? It sounds like they are.
Avon, Parma Heights, Rocky River, and Broadview Heights. For your protection, move
Let's take a look outside again and see how the clouds are doing. Whoa, they're getting flat now. Looks like they're really still now. Oh.
Counties in Ohio: Ashland, Cuyahoga, and Richland. A
a line of strong thunderstorms will affect central Richland, south central Cuyahoga, and Ashland counties. At 4:25 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a line of strong thunderstorms was along a line extending from near New London to near Galion and moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Winds in excess of 40 miles per hour are possible with these storms. Locations impacted include Mansfield, Ashland, Strongsville,
We're in a really dangerous
Brunswick,
situation
North
right
Royalton, Ontario, Lexington, Hayesville, Savannah, Polk, Broadview Heights, Sullivan, Spencer, Jeromesville, Bailey Lakes.
Whoa! What the heck is that? Oh, for a second I thought it was something. Now that we're playing the severe thunderstorm watch.
Thunderstorm watch number 474, affecting Kentucky PM Eastern Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in Ohio: Ashland, Carroll, Columbia, Rose, Mahoney, Medina.
I think just in case I might want to bring this, in case there's any more warnings.
A severe watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds. The watch area. While severe weather on Richland, persons remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio, and
Oh, they
television
just expired
outlets,
one.
internet sources for the latest severe
Or maybe I
weather
just leaned on a
information.
button, I don't know. But
Severe thunderstorm watch number 474 has been issued with the Kentucky Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties: Ohio, Ashland, Carroll.
yeah, it's totally pouring out there. It's totally pouring out there.
National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a special marine for open waters from the islands Ohio to
What?
Ohio. At 6 Eastern Daylight Time. At 4 p.m.
Yeah.
Eastern Daylight Time, a line of strong thunderstorms.
That's wicked.
Possible warning, a line extending from 20 miles northwest of Harbor to 8 nautical miles northeast of Avon, 7 nautical miles south of Westford, Million, will range at 35 knots. Additional storms were located to the west of the main line. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots and small hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, overturned and capsized.
Alright, so that's pretty much what's been going on recently. No other EAS alerts yet, but there's going to be more coming soon, I'm sure. Alright, bye guys.